Hey, let's have some fun.
I'm controlling this robot.
We have fun.
What's up? Ah! No. It's just froze. How do you do this? Well, just wait. I need to show you. What's up, guys? So, I have a bird actually. So, I got a bird here in Saskatoon. Yeah. And we're going down to go see the birds. Oh. Where's the birds? Where's the birds? These are our birds. Is that?
Train down.
Is that Violet? These are our birds. Who's that?
What's with the
And
silent
this is my cousin. Why is this bird?
Magmumulak sila, Josh. Ano si Chick? Pwede naman kunin niya?
Tweet, tweet, tweet. Tweet.
Are you happy with your bird?
Yeah.
May tingin ako ng stand niya kanina. Stand lang na gano'n.
Miggy.
Look
Look at, he's Chippy, the green one's Chippy, and the blue one's Chirpy. These are their birds. This is, Cheeky and Ranjo. Chippy! Chippy! Chippy!
Anong luto yung buli?
Wow.
Pansit?
Did you have to pay for these birds?
We already paid for it.
How much was it?
$20 each.
Wow, so the birds were only $40, guys. So, and these are my relatives' birds, Chippy and Danjo. He just got it, sorry.
Anong ganyan na yun? Pili ko ito, Ate Chick. Sabihin mo, punta na kami naman.
Yeah, I'm just telling you that we got birds, guys. And I can't wait, because I had a fish before, but our first fish actually ate all of our other fish, so we got a bird instead. And our first fish, who ate all the other ones, died. We didn't even eat their bird treat yet. We just got these guys yesterday, so they're still new. They're babies. Yay! Okay. No, don't put it so close to the cage. No, don't do that. Okay, guys. Josh. What? Go upstairs because loud noises will stress. No, I'm gonna put this. Will stress the bird, and then they will die. Oh my. Okay. Let's. Wow. You lost it. There's the green pike there. We still didn't get much toys yet, though. So basically, they're just hanging out there. And yeah, that's all I wanted to say, guys. And I was gonna say, say Zapchi.